Imagine this. Your voice web application has been running flawlessly for months, until suddenly it stops working. Your team panics. Calls fail. Customers can't connect. Then you see this error flashing in your browser console. Error 31007. Voice JavaScript SDK version not supported. This is not a glitch. It's a signal that your application is still running on the deprecated v1. Twilio has officially ended support for JavaScript SDK version 1.x. After September 10, 2025, applications using SDK v1 will no longer function. Only SDK version 2.0x or above will continue to work, thanks to its improved security architecture, modern WebRTC engine, and robust browser compatibility.
Staying on SDK version 1 isn't just risky, it's operationally dangerous. Here's what you lose if you don't upgrade: no browser support on latest versions, high security vulnerabilities, no access to advanced features like device switching or noise cancellation, no debugging or update support from Twilio. Upgrading to SDK v2 isn't just about fixing an error, it's about unlocking a stronger communication stack. Modern WebRTC support for reliable call quality, built-in device management APIs, stronger security with token lifecycle protection, smart debugging, and detailed error reporting. Future-ready architecture built for scalability. To successfully migrate from v1 to v2, update token generation with secure modern auth flows, refactor event handling, from callbacks to promise-based APIs, validate device access for microphones and speakers, enable enhanced audio codecs, and noise cancellation features. Also ensure endpoints and access tokens are secured over HTTPS for smooth operation with SDK version 2. This migration protects your business from costly downtime, communication breakdowns, security breaches, missed customer calls, and lost revenue. It ensures a seamless, future-proof calling experience for your users.
Error 31007.
It's not just a bug, it's your system telling you, upgrade now or go offline. Make the strategic move today. Migrate from v1 to v2 to secure your communication infrastructure, enhance performance, and deliver a smooth customer experience. If you're already integrating with, you can extend this migration with productivity tools like Twilio Auto Dialer for Suite CRM SMS, Drip Campaign using Twilio. These tools streamline communication and elevate operational efficiency.
For SDK version 2 migration support or to implement these CRM tools, contact sales at outrightcrm.com. Also check our detailed migration blog guide.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads.